All right, so now that you signed up for your hosting with HostGator, it's pretty easy to get in there and do the one-click install. Let me show you how it's done. So if you signed up successfully, you should have received at least one email from HostGator. So check and see if you got that. What mine look like are, I have this one here about billing, and that's not the one we need. And then this second one that came in, that is about the account. So this is the one you're going to want. And you probably want to save this somewhere safe. Put it in Evernote or on your desktop or somewhere where you won't forget it, because this will be useful in the future, like a year from now or wherever. Like you may need your username. You may need to remember some of these details. So it's good to have. Mark it somehow. Don't lose this. Good to have. Okay, so if you have this here, what you want to go to get started is your control panel, this here. And it might be a little bit different, the numbers and all that for you, but long story short, just click on this. And if you did it correctly, it should open this cPanel thing. So this is where you want to be. Cool. So how do you log into your cPanel, right? So you basically just want to use your username and the password. So take those, put those in here, all right, and log in. Take a second to do that. Once you do it, so I logged in already. Once you do it, it will open here. This is where you want to be. Cool. So now you're in cPanel. cPanel is just the name of this admin that you're in. It's actually a more universal name. You'll see a lot of people use cPanel, and that's what this area is called. So this is your admin area, your cPanel. And unfortunately, there's a bunch of ads. Like if it says like they want you to upsell you, just click out of it. You don't need anything. You're good. Just get out of it. And make sure you get here. So this is where you want to be. And actually, this is really cool. There's a lot of really powerful stuff you can do here, from add extra domains to add databases, which we're not going to talk about right now, but you can, to add lots of cool features, HTTPS, et cetera, mail stuff, et cetera. A lot of powerful stuff you can do here. The thing that we're going to look at, like we said, is WordPress. There's a few different ways to do it, but I like the easiest one is just to go to QuickInstall. I think it's just reliable. This button's been here forever since I've started using HostGator. So QuickInstall, if you click on that, it will take you to this, what appears like another world, but it's all part of the site. Okay, I've got it, whatever, right? I'm going to guide you through here. This is where you want to be, and we can install WordPress. So the next step would be clicking on WordPress right here to basically say, I want to install WordPress. They're going to try to upsell you on some premium options. We don't need that. Again, I'm going to show you how to do it and save a lot of money here. You can just do install WordPress and you're good to go. Okay. So in a few steps, we'll be set up with WordPress. So you need to set the domain that you're going to put it under. They give you an option because, like I said, if you chose unlimited domains, you may have a few. So choose the one that you want the WordPress site to live under. And then that could be it unless you wanted it to live in a subdomain, which I don't think you do. But sometimes if you wanted it to be meetawesompeople.com/WP or /blog or something like that, I would recommend not putting a path unless you really know what you're doing, unless you really want it. Because most cases, you want the main homepage to be WordPress, to be your whole blog. So in 99% of cases, this will be good. The next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to type an admin email. And this will be what you use to log in with WordPress. So I'll just put in my email here. I'm just putting in a fake email. A blog title. You can change this stuff later. So it's like, meet people, awesome, whoa, whatever, it doesn't really matter. A user, you can just do admin if you want. If you want to be a little more secure about it, you can do something like WP admin or I don't know, whatever you want to put, your name or something like that. I'll put WP admin. First name, again, it doesn't really matter, and your last name. So that's basically it. If you do that and you click install, it will go right ahead and do stuff. Let's give it a shot. All right, we're setting up WordPress for you. So we're good here. So I'm going to click no thanks. I'm a web designer. Whatever. You don't need to. All right, I'm getting a little angry at the ads. You don't need that. Cool. WordPress installation is complete. View credentials. Great. So this is great. It's telling me everything's good and this is where we need to go. So I am going to click on this and log into my account using this data. So let's do that right now. Okay, if you clicked on that and you have a dead page like this, there might be a few reasons. So the reason is that I have my domain here, meetawesomepeople.com, but I didn't connect it to HostGator. If you bought your domain originally with HostGator, like I said, everything should be working right now. And if it's not, just ask HostGator support and they should help you out with it. If you're having this problem and you need to connect your domain to your HostGator account, I'm going to put an extra video down below with the few steps to get this up. So this is just a little side detour if you need to do that. Otherwise, if it worked for you, you should see something like this screen, the login screen, and that's where you want to be. And so I'm going to pause here right now. Again, if you're getting the screen with the error, follow the extra video down below and then come right back here or ask HostGator support. If you have this screen here, you're all good to go. And in the next video, we're going to set up the account together. Check that out.